Okay guys, we're going to do a quick video on this new CHOMP microfiber wall telescoping wall mop. This thing went viral on TikTok and now it's like everybody's using it. So we just wanted to do a quick demo and show you what this product can do. So first thing, it comes with two mop heads. One with both are microfiber, one is a little smoother, one has these little smaller finger things. I'm not sure what you would prefer to use one over the other for, but you just have those two options. Comes with a baseboard duster that you could either put down on a tub or over a bucket, and then that helps you rinse off the mop each time you use it. Quick features, it has a nice swivel head, and I'll show you how it kind of works on the wall. You adjust the tightness of this over here. It's pretty easy to do, it's hand tight. And then this thing goes, I forget the exact length, but looks like at least six feet of telescoping ability. And then you just tighten that there, and as you can see, it's pretty good reach. My guess is that these ceilings are about 12 feet tall, 12 to 13. So you can see that it's easy enough to reach up with the telescoping. And then this is dry, so this is just a demo, but if you were to wet the mop, I just need to make sure that it's tight. Once you have the length straight, as you can see, the swivel head sort of gives you any angle that you want. Gets into tight corners, easy to use, stays flat without really much effort because of the swivel head. And that's pretty much it. In terms of effort, this is pretty light. So I would say very moderate effort needed to clean. If you could look at the walls over here in this bathroom, roughly would take me about 5 to 7 minutes to do with minimal effort, to be honest. So this is really good. Rinses off easy. As I said, with the dustboard, the duster comes with the two mop heads. Easy to take out. Just slip the cloth cover off and you can get it off. And that's essentially the viral TikTok wall mop from CHOMP, telescopic, at least 6 feet long, and works really well, easy on the hands. I've used it multiple times. I really like it. Gives you a nice clean for the wall. They also have a cleaning product. I haven't tried that yet. I will, just because I'm so impressed with how nicely the mop swivels and is so easy to use. And so if you have cleanish walls, water, in my view, is all you need to clean them. But if you had a particularly grimy wall, then maybe the cleaner that they sell is something to look into. Perhaps, let's say, for your kitchen or some area of the house where it's a little grimier. But for now, water was all I've used, and it works really well. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, give us a like, follow us. We hope you enjoyed this and found this useful. Thanks.